Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Gramma in a Box. This is one of our very favorite subscription boxes to do because I get to do it with my kids and it's a lot of fun. So this is the July 2019 Cookies and Candy box. It does have a patriotic theme. Everything is red, white, and blue. Tells you everything that comes in the box, and then you get a project card for all 3 projects. Very simple instructions, very easy to follow, and then on the back of the card it tells you all the ingredients in case there's any kind of sensitivity or allergy. You know exactly what's in there. And then all the exact measured out ingredients are also in the box. And there's a $10 off code in case you would like to try this subscription. So the melting chocolate this month is white, and it has little specks of red and blue in it, so that was really cool. Then we have red, white, and blue icing. And a couple different types of pretzels. We have pretzel sticks, and then these other pretzels, the lid came off and they got everywhere, but thankfully none of them broke. Not that it really matters if they break with the project, because they don't have to be intact. And then we have the sugar cookies. And then there's several different containers of different types of sprinkles. Some of them were star-shaped. So those were really cute. Also have a small little container of peanuts for one of the recipes. Some little paper cups for one of the projects, and a little piece of paper. So for the first one, you take the pretzel stick and you dip it in the melted chocolate, and then the kids can add sprinkles on top, and then you set those aside to dry. And I love this part. I was decorating it and little Raylan's tiny little hand came in. She's like, I'll take that. She's the cutest. And then with the leftover chocolate, you add the peanuts, or you can leave it out if you have a peanut allergy or sensitivity. And you just mix that up and you put a dollop on top of all the pretzels. And then you can add different color sprinkles on top of them. And those take about 5 or 10 minutes to set up. So the first 2 projects can always sit there and set up and dry. And then by the time you're done decorating the cookies, then you can start eating them because they're ready. So that was fun. Raylan was kind of helping, but she was mainly sampling. And then Jackson was helping with the sprinkles. So for the first cookie, I put white icing and then I put the red sprinkles on top. You can just like dump the sprinkles on there and then fold the plate and put the sprinkles back in, the ones that didn't stick. But I was trying not to do that because Raylan was right next to me and I didn't want her to like grab the plate and everything to go flying. But it's always nice to have a little paper plate next to you. Then we had red, white, and blue. I just made stripes and then put some sprinkles on top. And then here's the pretzel sticks. They're already dry at that point. Those are probably my favorite. I don't have as much of a sweet tooth as I used to. So if there's a little bit of chocolate or a little bit of icing, those are the things that I go for. So here's the cookies. You could obviously tell which ones Jackson did. He still just piles all the icing on top of the cookie. But I have faith one day he will have interest in actually decorating. So thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.